Get ready. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am thankful to the honorable members for offering their views. Everybody expressed his sympathy for the farmers. There can be nothing more important than this for us. Some of our friends say that 70 to 80% people depend on agriculture. I believe that 100% people depend on it. If the stomach is empty, everything appears useless and nothing can be done. Agricultural production is the very basis of bread. If there is production, everything runs smooth. Some of our honorable friends are saying that production has declined and food grains are not available. It is not that there was no agriculture policy earlier and there is none now. It is also not that we are running the government without any policy. Had it been so, we would not have commended the farmers, we would not have praised them that they have shouldered the responsibility of the whole country. Earlier, the population of the country was 34 crores, whereas it has exceeded 86 crores now. Earlier, we required 50 million tonnage, and now our requirement is 176 million tonnage. It is needless to say that still we require more food grains. We are moving ahead and expecting increase in agricultural production. On the other hand, nobody sees that production has increased. People will complain that they are not getting sufficient food. It is because every year there is an increase of 2 crore people in the country. How can it be checked? We shall have to think over it. There is no expansion in the land area. It remains static. We shall have to consider all these points. Everybody asks me as to what is the agriculture policy and what I was going to do. A system is being followed right from the beginning such that production increases in the same ratio. There should be cooperation from both or full stop. Both sides full stop. Nothing can be done single handedly. Our scientists are busy in research. Had there been no coordination and encouragement from the government, perhaps we would not have achieved that much progress. My efforts are also aimed at it. During the course of the debate, there was a reference to Bhanu Pratap Committee. It was alleged that the recommendations of the committee were not implemented properly. They were discussed in the cabinet but were not implemented because of certain considerations.